Napakarami na-accomplish ni Paul. But the longer he accomplished a lot of things, the longer he kept himself in an attitude of humility. Look at 1 Corinthians 15:9. Dahil kung sinasabi ito in many preaching, pag pinag-usapan natin ang pamantayan ng mundo, si Paul, wala na akong masasabi sa kanya. He's a dumb man. Pero lagi ko sinasabi niya, sabi niya 1 Corinthians 15:9. For I am the least of all the apostles. In fact, I'm not even worthy to be called an apostle. Hindi siya karamin, hindi ako dapat. Pero ang dami rin kayo mga churches, ang dami na disciple. Pero lahat ng kanyang ginawa, hindi niya maangkin ang kanya. It's all for God's glory. He did not even consider worthy of the title. Kanya